What I'm doing right now is I'm actually collecting thousands and thousands of seeds. I started off with a 6-pack of arugula. Yeah, I know, arugula is one of the easiest things to grow from seed. But as you get later into the season, sometimes this is the best way to get a jump start. Buy some transplants. Well, guess what? That little $3 investment has now produced thousands and thousands of arugula seeds. I'm going to be collecting those seeds in the pods today and show you how I do it and when's the best time to actually go about taking your collection. All right, so over here on the hugelkultur mound, you can see this is where a couple plants were coming up, and we've got all these pods now. There are a few that are slightly green, but there are many that are completely dry to a papery consistency now. This is the time where the birds will come in and really start to eat up all your seeds, which I don't mind sharing some with nature, but honestly, I was looking to collect these seeds. That's why I let the plant get to this stage. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting this plant back. These pods that are still not completely dry will continue to dry. Once they've turned color and they're more on the yellow side and they're more papery, this is a perfect time to collect. You can see here's some pods that are completely ready. Let me crack this open. You see that? Good 5-6 seeds in that one pod. Well, there's hundreds and hundreds of pods. Here's some more. So what I do is I get a hefty duty trash bag and I just prune these out and put them right into the bag. Make sure your bag doesn't have any holes in it. And we're just going to let it rest in the bag for a couple weeks, and then they'll be ready to go. You can crush the pods right in the bag, just step on it, literally pour the seeds out. Couldn't get more easier than this. It'll be nice to open up this part of the hugel bed as well and plant some new things heading into summer. I'll probably do some melons, maybe some Armenian cucumbers on this mound. Now, if you wait too long, one of the main issues you're going to have is that as you're trying to collect these pods, they're just going to be exploding everywhere and seeds dropping everywhere. So time is of the essence on this. Now, these ones are still on the green side, so I'm going to allow these a few more days, maybe 2 or 3 more days before I harvest from them. And here's some more pods over here that are still on the green side, so we'll give those a couple more days. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. And just like that, we've secured an abundant, healthy food crop for years and years to come in just a second. It's by collecting these seeds.